Now guys, this is another quick video, probably going to be a little bit boring for some people, but a lot of people think there's some secret place where we find affiliate offers, some secret like part of the internet. Over the years, I've just told people to Google, man, and that's exactly what I use. I go best affiliate networks in Google, and this is how I find affiliate offers, affiliate promotion, affiliate networks, and things to simply promote, guys. Like, there's no secret to finding this stuff. Just use Google to find good affiliate things to promote. Now, the secret is really structuring things, which I'm going to be showing you in this course, how to promote things, right? That's really the key. But finding stuff is not that hard. So once again, we just found a blog post here, and obviously Amazon, which we've been going to be talking about, we have talked about in this training. We have eBay. eBay has an affiliate network as well, which I'll probably have a look at as well in this training. We have Target. Target has an affiliate network, commission 1 to 8%. We have Jet, whatever this is. I have no idea what that is. General Home Goods. Jet, I might do a video on that. We have Walmart. Walmart has a commission-based affiliate program. We have ClickBank, which we've talked about. We have Commission Junction. I used to advertise stuff on this. We will actually log into Commission Junction. I will show some really cool stuff as well in there. What else we got? There's also Affiliate Health Market Network. That's pretty cool. I'll show you that one. Guys, there's so much like places where you can find affiliate offers. It would take me years to do videos on every single one. But like you've just seen, guys, I just went into Google, did a simple search. This one here, I've actually done promoted. I've promoted as well. Guys, there's so many. Like, I'll try to do as many videos as I can, but there are a lot. But we'll do the best I can. So yeah, there's affiliate offers here. There's affiliate offers on this page, kind of the same stuff. But you get the idea, guys. There's no secret. Just use Google to find places. Like, it's obviously going to take you quite a while when you're starting to find particular products you want to promote. But my suggestion is just do ClickBank or Amazon or both or whatever, and try and stay away from all of this like crazy other stuff for now. Because what's going to happen, guys, and this is what happened to me when I first started affiliate marketing, okay? Don't get caught up and try and promote tons and tons of offers. It's so hard. It gets messy. It's the biggest mistake I ever made when I started doing affiliate marketing, okay? Focus on a few products. If you're doing Facebook, obviously if you're doing something like YouTube, you can focus on multiple products because you're doing multiple videos. It's a little bit different. But if you're doing something like paid traffic or something, focus on one funnel, okay? And we'll talk about funnels as well. All right, guys, so that's it, guys. There's no secret on how to find affiliate networks, affiliate products, affiliate platforms is by simply going into Google, and these guys are listing the best affiliate platforms online right now. That's it. Pretty easy, pretty simple, guys. This is a nice quick video. We don't need to drag this one on. Use Google to find affiliate networks. There's no secret to this.